Hello, today we're giving you super useful English expressions for Valentine's Day, right? So let's go. It's a short video. Let's take a look at this. I have a crush on Sam. What does it mean? I have a crush on someone. To have a crush on someone means I'm in love with Sam, but maybe Sam doesn't know. We're not in a relationship, right? So you can have a crush on an actor or an actress, on a singer, right? You can have a crush on a famous person. You can have a crush on your teacher, right? But the teacher doesn't know usually, right? Okay, good. Are you seeing anyone? What does it mean? Are you seeing anyone? It means, are you dating someone, right? To see someone means to date someone. You turn me on. Oh, that's a good one. You turn me on. What does it mean? It means you excite me, but be careful because it has a sexual meaning, right? You turn me on means I am interested in you in a sexual way. Right? So be careful with this one, but it can be super useful, right? It was love at first sight. Love at first sight means, do you know? It means I fell in love with her as soon as I saw her. So I saw her for the first time and boom, I fell in love with that person, right? So it was love at first sight, at first view, okay? You are always on my mind. Oh, so romantic. You're always on my mind. It means I can't stop thinking about you, right? So I always think about you. You are always on my mind. You are the man or the woman of my dreams, right? Oh, you're the woman of my dreams. What does it mean? It means you are perfect for me, right? You are the person I have been dreaming about, right? So you are the person from my dreams, so we are a perfect match. I think I have found Mr. Right, or I think I have found Miss Right. Who is Mr. Right and who is Miss Right? Mr. Right and Miss Right are the perfect husband or the perfect wife. So I am a man, so I can say, I think I've found Miss Right. It means I found the perfect girl to get married with. Right, the perfect wife, okay? But you can say both Mr. Right or Miss Right depending on your lifestyle. Bonus, hey, I give you a bonus today. Love names. This is a good one. My students very often ask me about this, okay? Love names in English, right? Usually many people say baby. Okay, baby is super common, and this is a good one. It's not bad, right? Okay, you can also say sweetie, right? Sweetie is good as well. And some people say cutie pie or sweetie pie. Hey, I know many people are like, what? Pie? Why pie? Because you are so cute that I can eat you. Ah, you are so sweet that I want to eat you. That's what it means, right? Okay, so sweetie pie, cutie pie. Don't worry about the pie. It's just a cute way to call somebody. Good. So I really hope that you can use these during your Valentine's Day coming up. Don't forget to like us, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.